Let's talk about it, exfoliating your skin. I wanted to try a new exfoliant, so I went over to Target and picked some up. The name of this exfoliant was Raw Sugar, and it smelled amazing. Benefits of exfoliating your skin. Exfoliating your skin can offer numerous benefits for overall health and appearance. Dead skin cells can accumulate on the surface of the skin, clogging pores and contributing to dull, uneven complexion. By exfoliating, you can remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin below. Additionally, exfoliating can improve the effectiveness of skincare products, allowing them to penetrate deeper into the skin. Exfoliating can also help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as reduce acne and blemishes. However, it is important to know that over exfoliating can be harmful to the skin, so it is important to use a gentle, non abrasive exfoliant and not to exfoliate too often. Had a scent of watermelon and mint. It's important to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week.